What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. There's nothing more worse than having bad audio when you're recording your YouTube videos. If you're just starting out on YouTube and you need some helpful tips and information, hopefully this video will give you that information to help you get the best quality audio possible. I want to share today with you guys how to enhance your audio and get the best possible sound quality out of whatever microphone you're using. I've been using Audacity for a couple of years now, quite a few years, and the most of the time I record my videos, I just want to record my videos and I just want to upload the audio and sync it and be done with it. I don't like to do a lot of enhancing and all of that, but for sometimes you have to do that, and this next method is going to allow you to do that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove unwanted noise or sound or hissing noises, whatever it is that you're getting into your audio, and we're going to be doing this with Audacity. Sometimes you have different gear hooked up to your machine, depending on how much gear you have. I have quite a bit of gear, so sometimes I get some unwanted sounds in my video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to clean that up, how to get the best quality sound, and maybe even add a few sound effects in the process. So let's jump into the video, and I'm going to show you how to do this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Audacity. And this is what I use for my audio. I use it each and every time I record my videos. I record my videos and I record my audio separate and I sync it post, and pretty much that's how I do it every time. All right, so I'm gonna give you a little test here and show you how to remove unwanted sounds from your audio. So we're gonna record something really quick. What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and thank you so much. All right, so I just recorded this, right? So we're going to stop it right here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to listen back to this audio and hear how it sounds. So let's listen to the audio right now. What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and thank you so much. All right, so I just recorded this, right? So we're going to stop it right. Okay, so this is the audio that I just recorded, correct? So if you notice the audio in between here, you see a little unwanted levels. You know, the levels are they're not even levels. So this is actually a little distortion that's in this particular track, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight what we want removed, and we're going to highlight it, right? And then we're just going to come up here to effects. We're going to click on effects and we're going to scroll down until we see noise reduction. Once you see noise reduction, you're just going to click on that. Now, when you get into here, there's a couple of options here. You got one and you have two here. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is we want to get a profile. Now, what this means is when we get this profile, Audacity is going to know exactly what we want removed. The next time we open up Audacity, they're going to know exactly what we want removed. So we're going to click to get a profile first. Okay. So let's click this out and let's get a profile real quick. So we click that, right? So now it knows we want anything like this removed from wherever you see it in the track, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to highlight the track. I'm going to do CTL and A, and we're going to highlight the whole track. Now, when I come back up here to effects again, I'm going to go back to noise reduction once more, right? And here you can change whatever it is that you want, depending on what the sound that you're looking for your audio. This is the basic sets that I usually use. I use 12, 650, and I leave the bottom at 0. I don't change any of that. So this, you can play with it. You can increase it, decrease it, whatever it is you want to get the different sounds that you're looking for. So I leave mine right here on 12, and I'm going to click OK once again. Okay, so let's do this real quick. So now what we do is, if you notice here, you don't see any uneven levels here because Audacity removed it. Seeing that this is the unwanted sounds and the levels that you want it removed, that's exactly what Audacity did. So let's listen to the track again and hear how it sounds. What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and thank you so much. All right, so I just recorded this, right? So we're going to stop it right. Okay, so there you have it. It took whatever unwanted distortion that I had in this track and it took it out. So I'm pretty happy with the way it sounds. I don't usually go overboard when it comes to enhancing my audio. If the track sounds good once I record it, that's what I just leave it like that, and I just edit it with my video and I'm done. But sometimes you get a little distortion that you might need and you just have to take it out. So the next thing you can do here, if you want, you can actually highlight your track once again. I'm going to use CTL and I'm going to use A to highlight the track once again. And we're going to come up here to effects again. This time we are going to go to the graphic EQ. And what this does is you can adjust the levels here to get whatever sound that you want. These are the levels that I normally use. I don't use the EQ a lot because I have it on my mixer. So I don't really use the EQ that much. But this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to show you how to do this, and you can get a preview before you even add it to your track. So let's listen to this and see how it sounds. What's up, guys? My name is Rob G, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank God. So if I must say so myself, that sounds pretty good. The track sounds great. I think it's perfect the way it is. Let's listen to it one more time. What's up, guys? My name is Rob G, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank God. So there you have it. So once you finish, you got that on your, and that's the way you sound. You want that to sound. Your EQ is the way you want it. Just click OK, and it'll add that to the track. Let's see how this sounds now. What's up, guys? My name is Rob G, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and thank you so much. So there you have it. So this is pretty much, you can do this each and every time you record your videos. It's definitely a game changer when it comes to audio, because sometimes you don't get the right audio. So this is definitely a game changer. So I hope you guys found some value in this video. And if you did, I do appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video.